I lost my mom when I was 7 years old. She was killed. It was a drive-by shooting.
That was in 2000. On her 18th birthday, Dorisha Garman's grandmother gave her her mother's ashes in an urn. Today, Garman is 29 years old.
I had her urn to have to just sit on my counter and go everywhere with me. It made me feel a sense of peace, like I at least had a part of her with me.
Livia Alexander was 33 years old when she was killed, and Garman created a shrine in her home.
I had the cube there. I had a picture of her there, and I had flowers there. My daughter, she would normally like go up and kiss the cube and stuff like that. And she'd be like, "Hi, Grandma." And it's like now the cube isn't there. And he asked me, he was like, "Where's Grandma?"
Grandma's ashes gone forever, with no explanation. It happened as Dorisha was headed south on I-95 in her Enterprise rent-a-car. She was in the process of moving. The urn was in the car when all of a sudden, another vehicle crossed over the poles, came out of the express lanes, and right into her path.
The car spun around. I had hit my head, and I was bleeding. The airbag had deployed on me and everything.
Garman was taken to the hospital.
I got out the hospital, and immediately that next morning, I reached out to Enterprise. I told her, I said, "I need to get my mom's urn out of the car." She was like, "Okay, no problem. I'll make sure that it's taken care of."
Garman says day after day there was no response from an Enterprise branch manager she was dealing with.
And I called at least more than 25 times. She's just like, "No, everything will be fine. I'm almost certain everything is going to be in the car. Everything is going to be there."
She says weeks turned into months with no urn and only promises. Garman says only after she threatened to sue did the branch manager, Chatera Bronson, call her.
She said, "The car has been auctioned off." I said, "What do you mean?" I just hung up and I went to the branch immediately. I say, "What do you mean?" I look me in my face and you tell me that the car got auctioned off. I said, "So where's my stuff?" "We don't know."
You can't really put a price on it. Florida law allows a jury to consider sentimental value.
Darren Stabinsky is representing Garman in a lawsuit she has now filed against Enterprise. In court papers, Enterprise basically saying that they are not responsible for anything that you leave in the car.
My client did not leave items in the car. She was taken for medical treatment after her accident, and Enterprise took possession of her property. That's very different than leaving something in a car.
In a statement to Local 10 News, a spokesperson for Enterprise Rent-A-Car says we have no comment on pending litigation, so there's no explanation.
I have nothing. I don't have a grave site to go and visit. I'm just hurt. I feel empty. I feel lost.
Jeff Weinseer, Local 10 News.
The two sides are headed to court-ordered mediation next week. We will keep you posted.